The turtle swims slowly. The turtle swims slowly. Puppy barks happily. Puppy barks happily. I am feeling excited. I am feeling excited. Bear gives hugs. Bear gives hugs. Snow falls softly. Snow falls softly. The ocean has waves. The ocean has waves. I am curious. I am curious. I am feeling silly. I am feeling silly. The lion has a money. The lion has a money. Elephant has a trunk. Elephant has a trunk. Puppy wags tail. Puppy wags tail. Monkey climbs trees. Monkey climbs trees. The baby is crawling. The baby is crawling. Ice cream melts. Ice cream melts. Water refreshes us. Water refreshes us. The stars twinkle. The stars twinkle. Ducklings swim together. Ducklings swim together. Sheep says ba. Sheep says ba. Butterfly lands delicately. Butterfly lands delicately. Spider crawls slowly. Spider crawls slowly. Fish have scales. Fish have scales. Snowflakes fall gently. Snowflakes fall gently. Clouds float by. Clouds float by. Mouse squeaks softly. Mouse squeaks softly. Cars go vroom. Cars go vroom. Stars twinkle brightly. Stars twinkle brightly. The rabbit hops quickly. The rabbit hops quickly. The owl hoots nightly. The owl hoots nightly. Bees buzz softly. Bees buzz softly. The duck swims gracefully. The duck swims gracefully. The lion roars loudly. The lion roars loudly. The spider waves webs. The spider waves webs. Snake slithers quietly. Snake slithers quietly. Cow says moo. Cow says moo. Fish swim gracefully. Fish swim gracefully. Elephant has task. Elephant has task. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. Big red ball. Big red ball. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Dog loves running. Dog loves running. I am hungry. I am hungry. It's raining. It's raining. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. Flowers smell nice. Flowers smell nice. Butterflies are colorful. Butterflies are colorful. I am excited. I am excited. Birds sing beautifully. Birds sing beautifully. Puppies love to play. Puppies love to play. The robot dances like a fool. The robot dances like a fool. Kite flies high. Kite flies high. Frog jumps far. Frog jumps far. I am so tired. I am so tired. The clock tells time. The clock tells time. Bear is furry. Bear is furry. I am feeling brave. I am feeling brave. The horse runs fast. The horse runs fast. Sun sets beautifully. Sun sets beautifully. The moon rises slowly. The moon rises slowly. Books tell stories. Books tell stories. Trees provide shade. Trees provide shade. Rainbows are colorful. Rainbows are colorful. Sand is soft. Sand is soft. Airplane flies high. Airplane flies high. Family loves me. Family loves me. The ocean is vast. The ocean is vast. I am a helper. I am a helper. I am growing taller. I am growing taller. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. Rainbow rises after rain. Rainbow rises after rain. The train goes very fast. The train goes very fast. Carrots taste good. Carrots taste good. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. The moon is round. The moon is round. There is a rainbow in the sky. There is a rainbow in the sky. I am a friend. I am a friend. Birds sing sweetly. Birds sing sweetly. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. Robot is fun. Robot is fun. I am feeling sad. I am feeling sad. Flowers bloom beautifully. Flowers bloom beautifully. Sun warms earth. Sun warms earth. Watermelon is juicy. Watermelon is juicy. Rainbow colors amaze me. Rainbow colors amaze me. The lion is strong. The lion is strong. Fish swim underwater. Fish swim underwater. The moon is shining. The moon is shining. I am feeling proud. I am feeling proud. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.